Hi, my name is Julissa. I'm a solutions engineer at Edge Delta. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can reduce observability costs by converting logs to patterns using Edge Delta's telemetry pipelines. We are now looking at our pipelines overview. Everything that I'm showing you today is publicly available. So we invite you to come to play.edgedelta.com. This is our demo environment. Come in, explore, experiment. Today, I am going to be focusing on the logs to pattern node. So I am jumping into our Kubernetes onboarding demo pipeline. Or I can take a focus on this processing node and note here that in real time, I see the incoming data and its conversion. We're going from 5 gigabytes to 123 megabytes, which is about a 98% optimization rate. Now, these patterns are being fed into Edge Delta's backend. So I can see that from within our observability platform. I will hop on over to the log section where I can see these patterns. Now you'll note I'll just work from top to bottom. I can search patterns, group patterns by a given attribute. I'm also able to look at a given time frame and compare it to a historical date, giving me the delta and the identified patterns within my data. If I scroll down, I'm able to get more detail into each identified pattern. So we can see our top identified patterns, what they were, the number of occurrences, the percentage of the total volume this log consumed. We're applying a sentiment. This is based on the presence of words like error, warn, unexpected, okay. And lastly, we are also applying this delta since I am comparing my findings to a historical date and time. My favorite, or one of my favorite superpower features of the logs to pattern processing node is the ability to come here, get a good idea of what my data would be telling me without having to go through 300,000 plus lines of logs. Also, the ability to identify this as low value or not needed or not worth sending to Splunk or Datadog. And I can, from within this very page and view, opt to filter this data out. So I went ahead and clicked that. And as you can see, a new tab was opened within the pipeline at the appropriate source. So we are looking at the Kubernetes logs multiprocessor, where I had these rules for my logs already. And now at the bottom, I see the newest rule, my filtering of the pattern I identified, already written out for me. All I need to do is save. And as you can see, before even saving the changes I've made, I get an estimation that this is about a 30% decrease in size. So it's a 30% decrease in costs were this the only data going to my destination. Incredibly powerful tool for reducing costs at a destination, as well as incredibly powerful for reducing costs of engineering time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.